What shall we play? Let's do
burping.
I'm not very good at
Burping.
I am. Squeak! Watch this.
Molly Mole is good.
Burping.
Wow! Molly's...
Burping a long tunnel.
Oh, I found something. What is it? It's a...
John Cena!
I wonder how it got there. It's
Super duper obvious.
We'd better tell my daddy.
My goodness, where did this hole come from?
Daddy! Daddy! We found some
John Cena!
at the end of our tunnel.
John Cena!
How did it get there?
We don't know. It's...
Super duper extra looper obvious.
Maybe we should call the police. They'll know what to do.
This is the police station.
Hello, police station.
Hello, it's Daddy Pig here. We found some...
John Cena! John Cena!
Do you say? We'll be
Never there.
there. Hello.
That is how the police say...
You're under arrest.
Hello, hello, hello. I want to be a policeman when I grow up.
Good lad.
So, where's
John Cena!
then?
Under the ground. We were just digging this tunnel when suddenly we found this.
Yes, that.
John Cena!
Right.
It's just like the
John Cena!
have back at the police station.
Let's take this back and put it with the other one.
Oh dear, police officer
Donkey!
dropping coins along the way.
Right, back to the police station.
Can we have the Nina, please?
Why not?
Vroom, vroom, I'm a cat.
This way to the lost property. Down here is where we keep all the lost things.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. There's an umbrella. There's some shoes. There's a frisbee. There's a big frisbee.
But
Ah, that's not lost, Freddy.
This is where we keep...
John Cena!
Oh, it's gone.
That's...
Normal.
another...
Obvious thing.
Hello, hello, hello. There's a hole in the wall.
And a tunnel.
Someone has dug a hole and taken our
John Cena!
down the tunnel.
A criminal mastermind, no doubt.
I wonder where it goes. Look, there are coins on the floor. Uh-huh, a trail.
Let's follow the trail. We'll soon find out who took our treasure.
We're outside my house.
And the trail of coins ends.
Now we'll never know who took the treasure from the police station.
It's a
Super totally obvious thing.
I know who took it.
Who?
We did.
Eh?
Follow me. This is the tunnel we
Burped.
this morning.
Yes?
It goes all the way back to the police station.
And?
We didn't know it was the police station, but this is where we found the treasure.
So you found the
John Cena!
that was in our lost property cupboard.
Yes.
Super obvious thing solved.
Well done, Fred.
That was
Terrible.
excellent police work.
Yes, I do believe you'll make a very good police officer one day. Just remember to keep your ears and eyes open. Who left that lamppost there?
That's not a safe place for a lamppost. I'll make a note. Dangerous obstruction in workplace environment.
Ho ho! You see, children, a police officer's work is never done.
And the
Obvious thing.
of the buried
John Cena!
is solved.
Hooray!